Good morning. Today we are going to try another mindfulness exercise. In a previous activity, we turned our focus inward and wrote in our journals about how we were feeling. Today we will try a different mindfulness exercise with our paper and pencil. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit comfortably in your space, close your eyes and push away all other thoughts. Allow the thoughts to float away, leaving space in your mind for our activity today. Now, as you sit comfortably with your journal, begin to write about the things that come to your mind. Simply write the thoughts that enter your mind. Do not force thoughts or ideas, but let the ideas flow out of your mind on the paper. It doesn't matter if the thoughts follow a pattern or even a specific train of thought. Your writing can simply be whatever thought, word, or idea enters your mind. Take about 10 to 15 minutes to write. Take a moment to put down your pencil and close your eyes. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Feel your body and mind enter a state of relaxation. Now, open your eyes and read through your writing. Remember to take about 10 minutes to write, and then you will reflect on your writing.